One of the areas that's new to me is tagging notes in OneNote, and we're using Office 2010, and all we're going to do here is add some tags, and this is found on your Home tab under the Tags group, and these are just tags that you can add to your notes. They are completely customizable, they are searchable, and we're going to go ahead and add some tags into our sample, and then we're going to add some tags into our examples here as well. So we're going to go ahead and click in this particular sentence. This is click anywhere in the sentence, and in the tag section group, which is in this area here, we're going to choose the drop down and choose important. And you'll notice that the star is added to that particular tag, and it will be left as a reminder for us. We're also going to click someplace in this sentence here, and you'll notice that this one allows you to do a quick shortcut for that, and those shortcuts are also listed behind the particular commands themselves if they have one set up for them. So in this case, this is a question that we would like answered, so you'll see that it says to press Control 3. So we're going to hit the Control and the 3 key, and you'll notice that the question mark now has been added here. Now we're going to take and add some tags to an example page here. This is a projects and tasks page that I have to complete in the next couple weeks. So I'm going to mark a few things so I know what I need to do or when I need to do them. So the first one here, I'm supposed to help with the requirements and a rubric for a project for a teacher. So I'm going to choose, and this is set for May, so I'm going to go ahead and choose remember for later and put that as remember for later. For the next one, I'm going to mark that as a contact, so I need to contact this particular teacher so I can see when these are set to be done. Our next Tech and Me Monday is scheduled for a couple weeks, so that one can be set up, and again this would be maybe an idea or a time where I need to think about what I want to put on there, so I'm going to set that as an idea. The next few are again projects that I'm going to need to accomplish here in the next couple weeks, so maybe I want to set those as to-do lists. And what that allows me to do is that allows me to go ahead and click on the boxes to mark that they're done. Since I haven't finished those yet, I'm going to leave those blank. I'm going to add those same check boxes in front of those particular sports so they're set as well. I'm also doing some presentations at a couple of conferences, so I need to start prepping for those. So I'm going to be in contact with the people that are tied with that. So I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to discuss this with somebody, and what I need to do is I'm going to modify the tag so it puts that person in here so I remember who to talk to. So I'm going to go ahead and choose modify this tag, and instead of person B, I'm going to change this to athletic director, and I'm going to click OK, and then I'm going to find that particular button and make sure that that is set on there. This is for the NDATL conference. Same thing, I'm going to right click and modify the tag, and I'm going to put our DIR director on here and press OK, and again I'm going to add that tag to that particular area. I also have a blog I need to update, so I'm going to choose to update Instructional Technology Coach blog just as a tag again to remind myself. And I'm also going to get these accomplished here. One's the tutorial, as I'm working on now, and one is the lesson plan. So again, I'm going to look at which one is the most appropriate. I'm going to choose important because this is one of those that needs to be done right away, and I'm also going to tag the other one and maybe mark that one as critical to have those done. I can also search to find my tags, so I'm going to go ahead and click Find Tag, and I'm searching by this notebook, and as you can see, you'll see the different tags that are listed here. Here's one that says Roland already, and as I scroll down on here, you see Discuss with Athletic Director, Discuss with DIR Director, and then some of the other important points there. Remember for blog, the remember for later, and then my checklist. So it does allow me to search for particular tags, which do come in handy as you are adding this in your OneNote.